Hey, thanks for joining my channel again. This is a really quick video on a part that I reluctantly bought. I love Factor 55. I just want to come out and say that first. I love your products, guys. They're awesome, but they are expensive. I know they're made in America. That's why they are. But I had one on my last Jeep on my JK Rubicon. Loved it. Worked out great. It was olive green, and I love, as you can tell, olive green. Anywho, I couldn't afford it this time around just because I have 2 kids, a wife, a mortgage, and a brand new Gladiator Rubicon. So I went to Amazon and I bought a knockoff. It looks super similar to your product, but it is not your product. But I did a little video. I'm just showing anyone out there who's like me, who doesn't have a ton of money, but wants to put this on and try it out. Hopefully it doesn't blow up and kill anyone. But here's a quick video of me getting it on my Jeep and what it looks like and how it works. Thanks so much for watching, and if you'd like to subscribe and like and comment and all that stuff, I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much. Have a great day. All right, so let's try and get this little pin out right here. You can see this right here. These pins right here. You have to. I used to have them. I'm going to use these guys. They're not really the same thing, but let's just see if I have enough force to open that up and then get the pin out so I can put it onto the winch. Let's check it out. So you're just going to get in those holes. Oh, and it worked really well. Worked out much easier than I thought. Boom, there we go. Moving on to the next part. Alright, so this will go through here. Drop the pin down. Remember, this is the Chinese Amazon version of the Factory 55. I'm not a rich man. I can only do things, you know, periodically. So once I get a bit more money, I will probably buy a Factor 55 one. I do like to support them. I've had their stuff in the past. There we go. I believe that's it already. There we go. Yep, I think that's in. Alright, so let's bring this. Beautiful. So this guy right here is going to be your Chinese knockoff of Factor 55. I hate the fact that I bought it, but I bought it nonetheless because I just don't have the money for Factor 55 right now, and I wish I did. But let's just see how well this thing holds up over time. Alright, let's bring it in. There we go. Nice and taut. Does its job well. I'll turn that off. Close this down. It does fit rather well though. I mean, again, it's like its copy of the Factor 55. It was designed almost identical. The rubber there and the rubber there, right? So it's nice and thing. So it actually fits really well with my other Amazon special, the license plate flip up design. But look at that, it fits really nicely. Really nicely. There we go. And now my winch and everything is just hidden away there. Perfect. Perfect. Thanks for watching, everybody.